guys, I'm right here with the beautiful Miliwa Jesus. Hello darling, how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Gosh, you are looking nice from the hair to the... I'm tempted to ask how much this costs.
I don't even know. I think, okay, maybe I can say the hair. The hair is around 65K.
Where?
That is a lot.
It's raw raw Vietnamese hair. Vietnamese, the best. Yes.
I'm telling you, mine is 150 bob.
And you're looking amazing.
Thank you so much. You're here to support Bahati. Na tunataka tu kujua from your understanding, una think ni nini ana launch?
Actually, to be honest, I have no idea. You know, just Bahati anapenda kutu surprise. So I'm just waiting to be surprised. Yes.
Millie, you don't know nothing at all.
I have no idea. I just got an invitation and I was like, okay, let's go. But sijui ni nini. But I'm looking forward to it because I'm sure it's something amazing, it's something big, and I'm so happy for them. Yes.
The year has been eventful for you, my darling. It's been amazing, successful, challenging also, but it's coming to an end, right? What have you learned this?
I think this year what I've learned is in life kuna seasons. Kuna time yenye utakuwa uko juu, things are going well, kuna time zenye haziendi venye unataka, but at the end of it all, as long as you trust in God, He's going to take you through each and every season, and there's something to learn from every season. Yes.
Christmas plans, my...
Yes, for this Christmas, I just want to spend time with my family. I feel like I've been up and down, I've been busy, like at us, just spend enough time like last year with my family. So this year is just me and family. Yes.
And New Year's resolutions as well, if you could share with...
Hizo naogopanga kusema because they die off by date 30th. I think for me next year, I just want to have focus. That's like one of my main goal, just focusing. Ruthless focus. Yes.
Millie, and you know I cannot not ask you this question, right? You know, so many people had spoken about you know, you traveling a lot. You know, everybody's dream is to travel outside, but watu wanaongea why anaenda sana nacha.
I think we would all want to be home with our children. But we don't travel because we want to be away from them. It's because we want to give them the best life. It's not even about traveling. Sometimes people work 24 hours. Unajua, maybe anakuangalia anasema heri wewe una travel, you have change, unaenda tu mali different. Mimi I'm working 24 hours, day and night. You know, maybe I have to work 4 jobs for me to provide for my child. So for me, it's so much about my children and their future. Yes.
And Juicy, by the way, he Kabi. Amejipea another title. Did you see the title?
Okay, to be honest, I saw it on social media like most people.
He said he's like the president of baby daddies.
Yeah, I think he's venye tu nimesema it's about seasons. I think for him he's in a season where he's taking up his new role and accepting it and getting to learn what it's all about. So if anataka kujita hivyo, well and good. Yes.
Are you getting to know the other child as well?
We've met a couple of times. I think it's not as easy because hatuko na kuna ile time tunafaa kumuona na kummeet, and also personally nataka kwanza kabia jone na mtoi. So the few times I've met with her ni saa zenye tunafanya tu the official things, kwenda shule, kumpeleka shule, maybe kutafuta shule vitu kaa hizo. But for like ile outing family yenye tu mko huko tu we are having fun, not yet there. Bado hujafanya hivyo, but we are hoping to do it soon, hopefully. Yes.
Pia social media tukiangalia social media nasema Kabi is just a social media father, no responsibilities at all.
I think that's how it's been like for the major part of this year, and since DNA results zilitokea and you know Kabi akakuwa certain that he's a father to Abby, he took up his role really well. He's been doing great and I'm so proud of him, and I'm here to support him. So maybe he doesn't go out to say nimefanya, and that's why maybe probably in the recent past he has have to say something kusema by the way I'm doing something, and he's calling out any dad maybe mwenye hajakuwa kwa life ya mtoto wake to also do the same. Yes, na kama hata hujakuwa for all that time, do not be condemned, usifeel vibaya. As long as there's that opportunity, you can still go in na ufanye kitu. You don't just go in to bring stress. Kuna hizi stories alikuwa anafanya jana venye alijiannounce president.
President of baby dad.
So, like I realized there are dads maybe who are present in their children's lives, but they are present in a way yenye maybe hata they are not helping in any way. So me, I'm just hoping through him embracing his new role that encourage other dads to do the same. Yes.
Also, you know, fans want to know as well, Kabi, as well, Millie, have you accepted the situation?
Oh my goodness, I accepted it kitambo sana, to be honest. It's not been easy. Like, there's so much that goes on behind the scenes. There's so much you may not be able to share. But now, I love that child. Ni kama ni mtoto wangu. Mi nashinda nikisema as long as ni damu ya bwanangu ni wangu. Sisi kwenye mi nimetoka, or rather my parents, we've grown up with 2 extra people. Wenye waku nini, they are not from like my blood sister or my brother, but they are our family, part of our family. So me, I'm used to this. So it's not something new for me. It's only that probably the way it came out, it didn't look good, and there's a lot of back and forth, but hopefully with time it's going to calm down Otazaku, you know, to do what's best for the child. Yes.
And we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And you know, something that I always keep asking myself is, Millie anafilaje when she trends for, you know, because of her family, because of Kabi, because of everything that has happened this year?
I think for me, when it happens, I'm just reminded of my call, because kama wewe hauna kitu yoyote yenye unajua iko na impact, maybe no one will ever attack you. So every time I'm reminded I'm here for a purpose, and also to just focus on that purpose. And also I'm reminded I'm not perfect, and it's not up to me to show the world I'm perfect. You know, if God wants to show a side of me to the world, it's okay, because mimi nimemwachia nini life yangu. Yes.
And you know what? We love your perfect imperfection. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
We want to wish you all the best. Thank you so much, Dan.
You too. Thank you.
Yes, and of course, that's Miliwa Jesus. My name is Kalendu Musimi. Behind the camera is the one and only Saidi Abdallah. Bye.